Okay, so we got our vinyl stickers for our motorhome. The big one goes across the back and the front, and these go on the windows. Pretty cool.
You're filming. I'm waiting for you to say, yeah, it looks good.
It looks great.
Hello?
It looks great. Here it is on the front of the motorhome. And there it is on the back.
Catch you on the road.
This is our decal on the window. So here I'm making a laptop board for my lap. Dave took off, one of those end tables, took off the bottom. I cut up some styrofoam, putting this cover on it, glued it on with some Elmer's glue there. And I'll put this top of that like that. So I'm going to use this spray glue to adhese the fabric to the styrofoam. I always cut out the sides like that, so when you lay it down there's not a big bump. So I have all the sides down and the corners. I'm going to let it dry. And then I'm going to spray the back of the board and the styrofoam and let it sit. There is 3 pieces of styrofoam in there. Over here is the styrofoam right here. Here was it looked like before I put them together. And just wash the board. I sprayed the board. Okay, there it is together. I'm going to let it dry. And we'll see how it goes. Hi. So what I'm doing here is I'm making wheel covers. Our coach came with wheel covers. I'll put a picture in right here of what it came with. They were too small for our motorhome. They were for a Winnebago, and we have a Damon. So this is, could be making them out of this vinyl. Velcro. I already put the Velcro on the inside of the wheel well. So Right now I'm going to be cutting it and then putting in like that. We've seen these wheel covers at campgrounds that they're made out of that mesh material. So I thought I'd give this a go. All right, so I just cut the edge here. And now I got this rod and I'm gonna go out and measure. We kind of measured it up there, but I'm gonna flip it over. I'll take some quilting clips. I might have to go get some more. Put them on there. Oh, it holds pretty good. And I'm going to go out and measure it on the coach. So this is what it's basically going to look like. I have the clips on there, so see if we can get a better fit. I think it looks pretty cool. So what I'm going to do now is that this length here where that line is pretty good, so I'm going to cut across and put that rod in there to give it some weight, so when it blows it just goes right back down. So I got to find a measuring tape. Be back. So the length here is 43. So I measured 43 across. Make a guideline to draw a line to cut it. Actually, the line is where the board has to go. And I'm going to flip it up and give it, I'm thinking 2 inches maybe. So what I got here is 2.5 inches. Good thing I can use both hands to write. So I'm just going to draw a line down that. It's pretty straight.
And here we go. We're looking good. Yes, I put that reflector tape on the bottom half because I've noticed since driving this motorhome that people don't see it because they pull right out in front of you, or they pass and cut right in front of you. You know, they don't see you. So I wanted to put that on there so at least they could see it when they were coming up on me, hopefully. Oh, we got the bikes on. They're all ready to rock and roll there. And then there's the Team Terry RVing decal. Yeah, pretty excited about that. Oh, and there's the tire cover on. These are the ones the wife made. She's making them for all 4 tires, which are nice. They look good. They're held up on there with Velcro up in the backside. Look good. All right, talk to you later.
Thank you for watching.
And give us a thumbs up if you liked the video. Also, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and share it with your friends and family.
We need 1,000 subscribers. Make sure you ring that bell so you get a notification.
Catch you on the road.
Bye.